What is good, family? We are back. I know I've been gone for a little while now, but sometimes you need a little break, right? And I'll explain myself, of course, in the video. I took a little break, right? It wasn't from trading though. I didn't take a break from trading. I mainly took a break from YouTube, right? I had a lot of stuff going on. I had to travel for work. I was out in Greece for 3 weeks, about 3 weeks. I had to travel out there, different time zones. It was really hard to record videos, but I was trading the whole time, and a lot of good, some bad, but a lot of good came out of that, right? And I'll explain some of that in this video too, right? But overall, essentially, like, it was a much needed break, but now I'm back, about to drop bangers on YouTube for you guys over and over and over. So real quick, here's what I've learned so far. So with the time off that I took from just being off YouTube and my time in Greece, I learned to really trade on my phone, right? I wasn't able to be on my laptop all the time. So I got a lot of time to trade on my phone, and I was trading, I was killing it. I was killing it on my phone, and it really got me out of the habit of thinking that I fully need a computer to be able to trade. So that's one of the biggest changes that happened so far, right? You might start seeing a lot of screenshots and things like that happening on my phone. I got so much more comfortable taking trades on my phone after doing it for 3 weeks. Another good thing that came out of there was trading Asia in London session, right? And crazy, it's been crazy, but lately I have been, I don't know if you guys may have seen some of my screenshots I post on YouTube, but a lot of it in the Discord. We're still very active in the Discord. So if you guys really want to get in touch with me and talk to me, it's on the Discord. You guys could just join, hit the link below, join, and we could chop it up on there, right? That's where I am all the time. But for those of you that don't know, I have been trading Asia, and I have been trading gold for the past month or so, and it has literally changed my life. Gold has made me so much more consistent than I was before. NASDAQ, some days were hit or miss, right? Like, you can come in New York session, you don't even know what you're about to get. Price action could be choppy, things like that. But Asia session, really, gold has been like, it's been perfect. Not even gassing it, it's been perfect. Like, every time I take a trade on there, I'm much more comfortable. I am gonna make a video on my strategy, or what I'm doing on gold, what time I'm trading gold and things like that. If you guys want, drop it in the comments. Of course, I will drop that video. But everybody in the Discord already know how I'm trading gold and things, right? So that's been one of the main things. I've been trading gold a lot, and I have been killing it a lot with gold. So we'll share that video and continue that process on there. If you guys have any questions on that, just let me know. All right. We've been having a lot more sessions. I've had some time. We've been having a lot more sessions in the Discord, just talking, giving out game, sharing ideas with the people. So again, join. Lastly, I have been trading and taking payouts from Top One futures, right? I know before I jumped off of here, I said that there was a lot of changes. There is, right? And I'm gonna make a fully updated video on Top One futures. Some of the changes that's happened so far in terms of drawdown. I think they changed their drawdown rules. They changed some of their payout rules. It's either 10 days, or if you pay for the instant payout, of course. I think the earliest I've been able to get paid out in terms of following that consistency rule has been 6 trading days. So, it hasn't been bad. They still pay out super fast. They pay fast as fuck. Like, it's been, every time I've hit a payout, and I've gotten at least about 4 or 5 payouts with them so far, it's been like 2 hours, man, and it's been super fast. And I think that's one of the main reasons. It's definitely one of the main reasons why I'm sticking with them. I've fallen in love with the instant funded, man. I haven't traded, or I haven't done a combine or worked on a combine for like ever since I found top one futures, really, man, I still have two accounts left with TopStep, right? But I haven't traded a combine in a while. The two accounts that I have with TopStep are 50Ks, and I haven't those. I'm just steadying $300, $400, $500, and trying to get more payouts with them. But really, the reason for that is because I've really been focused on my top one futures. I've been doing $1,000 days, $2,000 days, staying consistent, and been able to pull in payouts every 6 to 10 days. I've been able to pull payouts. I may have 2 red days here and there, so some weeks may take a little bit longer to get a payout. But every time I've gotten there, it's been fast. They changed a couple things. Their drawdown, they changed their max payout for the 150Ks too. So a couple changes. So I'll make a fully updated video on that overall and some of the changes that's happened. At first, I was kind of mad about them. I was like, yo, because you get, when they first came out, like, it was crazy. 6K drawdown, 5K payout, like, it was crazy when it first came out. So I was like, oh yeah, this is the best profit amount. Then they changed the rules. I was kind of pissed off because they changed them very subtle. But after a while, I started they kept on paying out just perfectly. And they got the discounts. The accounts are pretty cheap. I paid what, $350 right now with the 50%, 55% off, 50% off they're doing. So I'm still with them, man. So and I've been killing it over there. So yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna drop more bangers for you guys. I'm gonna work on that top one updated video for you. Links are gonna be in the description, of course, to get an account. And we're gonna keep grinding, man. I caught a banger today, ended Friday well. I did about, I think, 4K on the week, 4.6 on the week, 4.6 on 3 accounts on the week. Today I caught a banger trade for about 2,500 bucks. That was fire. I caught the shorts, literally top ticked the market today, and caught the shorts all the way down. So, and it was a banger, man. It was a banger. Great way to end the Friday, man. Great way to end the Friday. So yeah, man, that's really it. Again, look out for more videos. If you guys aren't in the Discord, definitely join. If you really want to reach me, especially when something like this happens, when I'm taking a break from YouTube and not being consistent, not dropping more videos, but I will be dropping bangers. I'm gonna drop the video on gold for you guys, what I'm doing on gold, what time to get on the charts for gold, and how to catch some crazy moves. I'm gonna work on the top one futures updated video for you guys, right? Get all the information out on what's been going on with them, some of the changes in terms of drawdown, max payout, and things. And also, I haven't really changed anything in my strategy. I still trade key levels, previous day high. Nothing's changed there. It's still the same stuff. I really haven't added too many things. I think I've just gotten better, man. I haven't added too many things, but I've just gotten better in terms of, and it's not better with my strategy. It's better being more patient, right? You'll see I'm taking way less trades, 1, 2, 3 trades. If I have more than 5, 6 trades in a day, it's probably because I'm trying to come back from a loss or something like that. But it's been really good. Been consistent with the trades, man. I've gotten a lot better with being patient, waiting for my setup pattern recognitions, really waiting for those patterns and things. So that's really what's been going on, man. I didn't take a break from trading. I don't think, like most day traders, people that really do love this shit, like, you can't really take a break from trading, man. Like, you know you can't. This shit is too crazy. But I was away for a bit. Some good came out of that. I got to learn how to trade on my phone and trust it. I got to be more consistent. I had to wait on the perfect setup. I got to trade a whole new session, man. I got more consistent when trading Asia and London because of the time zone differences. So that's really good, seeing those setups on the different time frames and things like that happening. So it's been good. June is pretty good so far. I'm hoping no payouts this week. I need 2 more days of consistency just about. So payout next week, probably. No, 100%. We speak it into existence. Payout will happen next week. So none of that. So we'll keep grinding that. But good week overall, right? On a few accounts. So Stay with me on this journey. We're gonna keep grinding. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments. Hit the link to the Discord, man. Join so that we can chop it up and talk. I'm having a session tomorrow morning, actually. Just if you have questions, we do Q&As, things like that. Chart sharing, talk about the week and all that stuff. So if you have questions, join, drop it on there. Appreciate you guys. Thank you again. Peace.